Welcome to our exquisite Delight showroom, nestled in the heart of Banjara Hills, Hyderabad. Step into a realm of possibilities as we take you on a journey through our extraordinary designs. At our showroom, we have meticulously crafted discussion rooms, stunning kitchen designs, elegant bedrooms, captivating living and dining spaces, and an extensive range of styles to suit every taste and preference. Our team of talented designers and consultants is here to guide you through the process of transforming space into something truly extraordinary. With their expertise and passion, they will help you explore the limitless possibilities and create a home that reflects your unique personality. But that's not all. We have even more exciting news to share. We will soon be opening another showroom in Kompally. This expansion will bring our exceptional services and curated designs closer to you, providing even greater convenience and accessibility. Visit us today and experience the epitome of luxury and sophistication.